Hello, this is our mat cable. This is our 4 pi and it has the sticky on the side. It is our XL cable, and we will cut this cable so you can see what is on the inside. It has the braiding. And it has the dual core. So this is the same as our 6 pi roll cable. And this is made with Teflon on the outside, PVC coating, Teflon on the inside there. So we will send you a sample of this, and we hope you like this cable. Thank you.